Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your Grammarly language to French and Spanish. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser and make sure to log into your Grammarly.com account. Once you're inside this main homepage, click on the account button from the left-hand side menu. Now once you open up this account settings page, you should be able to see the customize button on the left-hand side. Click on it in order to customize your dictionary or language. To change your language, click on the language tab and then inside the primary language, go ahead and select either French or Spanish or any other language that you'd like to change to. You can simply go ahead and select the desired language that you want to pick, and then you can also select the language that you write in from the drop down. Select one of the options and then you can go back to the main interface of Grammarly. Now that is how you'll be able to change your language on Grammarly.com account according to your preference. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.